Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for tuning in today. We're going to be showcasing our new Captain America Avengers watch. Guys, if you're new to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for more details. We're going to be showing you how the watch looks on wrist, some detailed shots of the watch, the box, the back of the watch, and even give you guys some insight on how we designed this watch and how it came about. Stay tuned for more. Thanks. Okay, this is Captain America's box here. And you can see it has a part number on the left along with Captain America logo. And it's a red box with silver foil on there. Okay, and now let's take this off the sleeve of the box. This is our new smaller, slimmer box. And you can see there the Marvel Avengers Endgame logo, along with the Meister details on the back. And Marvel as well. And once you open this bad boy up, boom, see Captain America. This looks really good. There's a nice paper to it. Okay, now let's get into the details of this watch. This is our Captain America Noble Automatic. This is a gunmetal color case here. And you can see the Captain America logo right in the center of the dial with the smooth sweeping second hand. And it has a date window as well. This features a Japanese automatic movement and has 21 joules in it with a power reserve up to 40 hours. And this movement is an automatic movement, meaning it's self-winding and will continue to tell time as long as you wear the watch up to 40 hours. This watch also has our signature hexagon bolts featuring 6 of them on the outer bezel, along with cuts as well in between. And on the side here it has a screw down crown, perfect for water resistance. And it has a butterfly deployment clasp on the back, which is really cool. Another detail you can see in the back there is the movement and how it works, and the Avengers logo there. All these watches are individually numbered. You can see here on the corner, this is number 13 out of 100. So this Captain America watch is very limited. There's only 100 pieces made of this watch. And this is the only automatic watch in the collection. It has a full stainless steel band that's in this gunmetal color. This watch is also 42 millimeters in diameter. This watch is water resistant up to 100 meters and has a exhibition window on the back there you can see. And you can actually see the movement working and how it works with all the little gears and intricate pieces inside the movement moving. The front of the watch actually has a sapphire crystal lens, which is really strong and resistant to scratching, which is great. And one last feature is the side of the case. You can see Meister on the side there. And that wraps up the details for this Captain America Automatic Noble watch. The watch does include extra links in the box with all of these Captain America full stainless steel band models. Okay guys, that wraps up all the details of this watch. If you have any questions about the watch, or say you want to let us know what new character we should do next, make sure you leave a comment below. We do check the comments and respond back to it. Also, if you like this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up and make sure you hit that subscribe button for us as well. Stay tuned for some lifestyle shots, on wrist shots as well. And make sure you go get this watch before it's sold out. There's only 100 made of this Captain America watch, and they're extremely limited. So good luck on purchasing, and stay tuned for more details.